Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is a sector and stock update for Thursday, June 24, 2021. So as you can see that the market is chopping around at the high end, but the overall trend is still bullish. So the last couple of days, since last weekend, we told you the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 continue to making a new high with a broad-based rally, especially in the technology and consumer discretionary. As you can see that, so right now let's go into the chart so that we can see a lot of the stock and sector that we talked about last weekend to see how they are doing so that we know where we are at. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look on the E-mini SP 500 chart. So right now, the stock is still bullish, but we are approach to the level of resistance shortly here. So you have to be stay into the have to pay attention. Okay, because this is the first level of resistance that the SP 500 they have to deal with. So let's see if they're able to hold up or they have to pull back down a little bit before they can get up higher. Okay, so let's take a look on the and on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is still pretty strong, as you can see here. The whole week, the last couple of weeks, they continue to rumble to the upside. However, they are right at the resistance also, so we have to pay attention carefully here on tomorrow or next week to see how they are be able to get to handle this level of resistance right here. Okay, and if you look at the Dow it get back strong with the bullet formation here at the buy down. They put it back up, so they still have a little room here, but they will hit right to the resistance at this level to see how they're going to handle at this level there. And the Russell 2000 it also put it up very hard the last 4 or 5 days. So right now they approach to the level of resistance here. So we will see how they are going to handle this level, same thing like the other indexes. So overall, the market is still bullish, but we are a little bit extended, so we have to be a little bit careful. All right. And if you look at the crude oil is still continue to put it up high. They are still above the upward trend line support, so it means that the bull is still in control. And gold is trying to find a way to bottom out here at the buy zone. So if they're able to push it back up tomorrow or next week, it will be a potential buy on the gold also. And if you look at the Bitcoin also hit to the buy zone. They bow right back up. So in the next couple of days, so it seems like they try to stabilize here and looking for a way to push it up to the upside in the future. There, it's well at Ethereum that they hit to the buy zone. They bow right back up. So they still have some work to do, but eventually they should be stabilized in this area here, and then find a way to move to the upside. And if you look at the volatility index, they have been pushed down very hard to the Y zone here. So this is a level that the strong support for the volatility index here. So let's see it how long they will stay here. If they push it back up, the market will be in correction a little bit there. So look at the 10-year Treasury note. We are still in the downside, but it also very close to the support level at this level too. So we have to pay attention because this 10-year Treasury note have been going down. That have the technology stock go up, but if they bounce back up from here, the technology stock needs to correct a little bit before they can go higher. Okay, so overall, the trend is still bullish, but we have to watch out for the first level of resistance to see how the market handle at this level. Okay, now let's go to the a lot of sector and stock that I analyzed on last weekend as well as on the Tuesday video to see how they are doing. So the energy sector is still doing pretty well. You see that after they found support here, and since Monday they continue to put it up. And a lot of stock that I show you on the weekend as well as Tuesday, it continue to go up, like COP, they found support, put it back up. CVX, okay, Chevron, it still goes sideways, but they still be able to put it up the last 4 or 5 days there. And MPC, that's another one, they found support and put it back up. OKE, okay, that's another one, it, last 4 or 5 days it going up, and ExxonMobil, it also put it up to the upside. You see, so the energy sector still bow back from the support and continue to put it to the upside. And if you look at the financial sector, the bank still have some a little bit choppy, but a lot of financial institution bank they doing very well. Like let's take a look here, like American Express. As you can see here, they are very strong the last couple of days. Since Monday, they go stay up there. BLK, BlackRock, still it's a little bit choppy, but it still be able to put up to the upside also. And Charles Schwab, it also bow from the support and go straight up there. And if you look at the industrial sector, XLI, and you can see that a lot of stock in this sector, they also stabilize, okay, and then they're looking for the way to put it back up. So a couple of stocks that I mentioned to you on the industrial sector right now, they wait for the bill to be complete, and this one will help this sector to move higher. So a couple of them like Catibella, as you can see here, they bottom out and push it back up, and John Deere, that's another one we show you on the weekend, and Home Depot, it's also bow strong from the bottom here and go straight up there last couple of days. And also FedEx, it also belong to industrial group. They're doing very well, and they break out in very strong move in the last 4 or 5 days. Since we mentioned it on the weekend down here, now they go stay up there. And the sector that I like the most, that's the technology sector, which I show you, and a lot of stock in this sector doing so well. That's a SP 500 technology stock. You see that it continues to rumble to the upside, very strong, but they are close to the resistance, so you have to be a little bit careful here. But a lot of stock in this sector, they do so well, like Apple, you can see there, Adobe, very strong stock. This one it moved crazy from down below here straight up there. Facebook, it also pretty strong there. Google, it still push it back up, and Microsoft, another strong one, break out and continue to move higher. So couple of stocks on the bottom fishing that I show you on the weekend on a Tuesday, and couple of stocks they are moving very fast to the upside, like First Solar, okay, today the breakout, okay, they go straight up there. Sunrun Solar, they also push it back up. They have some resistance here, so they pull back and retest, but over generative bullish. And a couple of stocks like Roku, on the weekend analysis, this one here, look at it, they go straight up after the breakout and go straight up to the top, non-stop with a big move here. And look at the PayPal also on the list. Okay, so this one is very strong and continue to put it up to the upside. They have a lot of resistance here, but momentum right now is still bullish. So beside these stocks, right, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where I handpick about 5 stocks every week, and I analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target, so that's easy for you to follow. Today Thursday, so that's all I have for you. I hope that you enjoy my analysis, so please click the thumb up, like button below, or any suggestion, please let me know on the comment, so I can help you out. All right, so thank you for watching. Good luck in your trading. I will see you on the weekly market forecast, and take care everyone.